Alrighty guys, so in today's video we're going to do a review on a Resonator assembly from Parts Avatar. So as you guys can see, just came in here like that, left on my front doorstep like I asked them to. We got the muffler and the pipe assembly right here, and we have the gasket. We have the gasket right here in this little box. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to do unboxing of the gasket for the exhaust flange. So it came in just a nice little cardboard box, didn't come damaged or anything. So let's go open it up. Box seemed to be made of good shape, made out of cardboard. Really nice solid box. Big shout out to Parts Avatar for supplying the parts necessary for his parts installation video. Big shout out to them. Link in the description for their website and whatnot. Subscribe. Alright guys, there we have it. Got a little gasket. So put this in between the exhaust flanges. That'll stop the leaks and whatnot, or whatever. Here we can see the exhaust flanges protected with some saran wrap, some sorts. Alrighty guys, right now we're just backing the car up, getting ready to put on the jacks. You guys can hear how bad the Resonator sounds right now. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, the muffler we have on right now, it's a little bit crooked, so we're gonna have to fix that as well. And if you go under here, you can see there's a big exhaust leak coming from the Resonator. First we're gonna have to chalk up the tires. Alrighty, now we're gonna take off the old Resonator. Unfortunately I couldn't get the bolts off, so I used the angle grinder to cut it off. Alright, so now we have the exhaust disconnected from the car. Just gotta take off this bracket here, the exhaust hangers, and then we should be able to take out the whole exhaust system out. Alright, so we've taken the exhaust off all the exhaust hangers, and it's time to pull it out. Alrighty guys, so I took out the old muffler and the exhaust. You can see the new one side by side. So we're gonna have to cut off the muffler right there, and we're gonna have to weld it back together, and we're gonna have to put it back in. Okay guys, so I put this old piece of pipe and attached it here to the muffler, and we're gonna go weld it on. And then once we weld this up, we're gonna cut this off, and we're gonna weld it onto here. Let's get into it. Before welded on, here's the clip felt no muffler Resonator in the car. Alright guys, so we got the exhaust on. Just checking for leaks because these welds aren't that good. Right now I'm just gonna spray some soapy water here. See if there's any bubbles coming out. Looks all good. Yeah, on the back here there's a big leak right there. You guys can see it. Alrighty guys, we got it all installed. Time to go for a listen test. Let's get into it. Sounds phenomenal. Once again, big shout out to Parts Avatar for supplying the products needed for this video installation. Absolutely no leaks in the exhaust system. Sounds amazing. Phenomenal. Huge shout out. 10% off on new orders for new customers. Alright guys, so we got the new exhaust fitted on. You can see that. It's on there. So we're gonna get a couple of videos of it going.
Alright guys.
Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how I actually ordered the parts on Parts Avatar. So let's get into it. So first we're going to search up Parts Avatar into Google. Just click on the first thing there. Next we're going to want to enter our vehicle make and model and year. And that should give us the right directory. Once again, huge shout out to Parts Avatar for supplying the parts necessary for this product installation video. Next up, we're just going to type in exhaust into the search bar so we can look at the products we got available. Yeah, so we're just going to scroll down and look for the part. And boom, there we got it. We have the pipe Resonator assembly right there, guys. You can see it for $152. It's actually on sale. You get free shipping with your order over $99. See guys, we put that proceed to checkout. And for new customers, you actually get 10% off. So mad savings right there. Definitely check it out. Hit proceed checkout. You can check it as a guest or sign in and all that. Sign in as a guest. And yeah guys, just fill this information all out and you're set. Subscribe. Once again, huge shout out to Parts Avatar for supplying the parts necessary for this video. Make sure to check out their website. They're actually having 10% off for all new orders, so Definitely check that out. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for more content available. This has been a Netsky Productions video.